So once again, thank you for joining me in the light. And we have a wonderful special prayer opportunity today, and we thank Mother Earth and nature and all the wonderful tree folks, and we can give them a real quantum, practical thank you right now. We can hold dear Mother Earth in our hearts, and we just come to one of our tree friends and we just give a hug to a tree. You can all do this with me right now. Give a nice big hug, and when you do this, Mother Earth feels it. Absolutely. And of course, so does this wonderful, beautiful tree friend right here. So thank you, dear trees and the tree folk. Thank you to all of the wonderful spirits and beings that are here in nature to help us, remind us of who we are and what we are. We're one. So namaste. And as we say, 4 amens for the 4 corners of Mother Earth. Amen, 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 and amen. God bless dear Mother Earth, all of her peoples, and all of her creatures, great and small. Namaste. God bless dear Mother Earth for 2025 and beyond. So we say swaha, swaha, swaha to whatever doesn't belong, and we breathe in that beautiful, beautiful light. Namaste.